Welcome back to the Cars, Cats, and Cannabis YouTube channel. Well, the day is finally here. We have the fully upfitted Bison with everything AEV has, and we just picked it up here at AEV. We have the Highmark fender flares, their snorkel, their Crestone wheels with the protection rings. I have the worn winch up here, 9.5 XS, the Baja design XL80 LEDs. And then they just came out with a new, I guess, line of graphics for these. I haven't seen it before, so that's the way they do that now. It's really cool. But I'm super happy with the fit and finish. This has 410 gears in it now. We're gonna take it for a drive and have a bunch of Colorados get together here soon. Trying to show you from all angles here. She's beefy, real beefy. Go Fast Camper's doing well. Got to support your agricultural heritage. Yeah, hopefully get it off-road soon, but I have the Go Fast camper back there. That's a wedge camper that pops up if you're unfamiliar with that. If you're new to the channel, this is the truck, and we are going to have many adventures with it. We have the 589 shock relocation, GM Performance jout shocks front and rear with their striker plates. We got jout shocks up there as well. High angle UCA. We'll have long travel going on this soon. But for now, we're going to enjoy it as is until the Kings get made and hit the road up north. Well, as you can see, we had a great time in the snow with the Bison, but it's time to put it away. I wanted to finish the walk around and show you how I have the bed set up. This is just temporary, but I have a drawer system that my friend Zach built for me out of 80/20 and assorted stuff. I've got my 35 there. My 199 centimeter cross-country skis barely fit. Got my Max tracks. Eventually they'll go up there, but I'm sure everyone wants to see the drawers. Just have some clothing. They got all the way back there. He did an amazing job making these. Thanks, Zach. You can tell he's an engineer. But we integrated some L-track to secure the jack. This is just temporary as we just installed all this yesterday, so I just wanted to show you. The L-track goes all the way to the front. We have a battery box over here, and then the 35-inch spare. We've got the vernacular sewing attic there with my advanced composites or whatever it's called rope there that's kinetic, so it'll spring. It doesn't like shock the vehicle, and these side panels open. We'll have a full walk around of the GFC later, but for right now, just wanted to show you how I have it set up. Introduce you to the flares. You already saw it when it was clean, but we just went through all that snow and they just ate. There's the truck as it sits now, fully upfit by AEV. Next step, long travel suspension, Kings, a few things to come, but the main thing is just getting out and enjoying time with friends and pets and whatever in the woods, chilling with the owls. That's what we like to do. So if you enjoy those types of things, just relaxing, getting out, feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video. That's what really helps other people see stuff like this, is the algorithm likes the likes. So give this video a like, share it, send it to somebody else, and we will see you soon.